See, we are listed for arguments before the Honorable Trial Court at Delhi to be heard on the matter of charge. In a layman's term, a charge argument is when we argue before the Honorable Court that there is no prima facie evidence against Jacqueline in the matter of money laundering. If we go through the charge sheet filed by the Enforcement Directorate, there is not a single piece of evidence, directly or indirectly, connecting Jacqueline to the offence of money laundering. For the matter to be heard at length before the trial court, there were certain observations of the Honorable Delhi High Court which may have caused certain impediment during our arguments. So we approached the Honorable Supreme Court with folded hands that the Honorable Delhi High Court's observations may kindly be expunged to an extent that my matter before the trial could be heard independently and fairly without getting influenced by the observations of the Honorable Delhi High Court. So this was accepted by the Honorable Supreme Court. Today the Honorable Supreme Court has granted an order which indicates that there will be no impediment of any observations of the Honorable Delhi High Court when we argue at the trial court. Now the proceedings before the trial court are based on a day-to-day basis. So it's a very welcome move for us. We will argue before the Honorable Trial Court and establish the innocence of Jacqueline.
Sir, in terms of facts of the case, as much as you feel convenient to share it with us, because viewers are really interested because of Bollywood celebrities involved, could you give us a couple of lines on the facts of the case?
See, the matter is sub judice. I will not be able to reveal the entire facts, but in a very bird's eye view, I can only point out. It does not matter whether the accused is a celebrity or not. What matters is the rule of law, and rule of law is above everything. Today, there is nothing on record. If you see the Enforcement Director's charge sheet, there is absolutely nothing on record, not even a single piece of evidence, which will nail Jacqueline even at a prima facie stage. In fact, there is umpteen number of evidences, there are loads of evidences. When we argue at the trial court stage, we will point out to the court, and then maybe we can speak out in public. In fact, that will show that she is a victim of the entire strategy. She was conned into this. But at this stage, I will not be able to reveal everything. But prima facie, I wanted to point out that there is evidence in the charge sheet of the Enforcement Directorate, there is evidence in the charge sheet of the Delhi Police, that how she was conned into this.